my channel where I make cleaning, thrifting, DIY, and homemaking videos. Today's plans are going to the farmer's market to pick up some groceries. I already went to pick up a portion of our groceries, but I still need vegetables and fruits, and I don't shop for them on base. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to a farmer's market that I love to go to for fruits and vegetables. Such a pretty farmer's market, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So for those of you that are stationed here in Okinawa and want to buy fruits and vegetables while you're here, I am taking you guys along with me just in case you haven't heard about this farmer's market, because it is so pretty. It is close to Camp Foster. It is a little ways from me, but I really do not mind the drive because I drive everywhere here. I hear so many people say, oh my gosh, you're too far. You will finish, this island is really small that you will finish it from corner to corner in 2 hours. So I have been everywhere around here. So I really don't mind the drive. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and go food shopping. Today is Friday and my kids are with me today because they had off at school. So we're all going together to go food shopping, and I just thought I'd bring you guys along with me. We might stop somewhere to a cafe. I don't know, maybe. So yeah, I'm very excited to take you guys along with me. Let's go ahead and start the drive, and I will see you guys on my next step.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. The sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new. Just us two, I'll follow you to somewhere new, somewhere new.
We got in the truck. Before we got in the truck, Emily dropped her dragon fruit smoothie.
But also, these are so good.
Mm-hmm.
Can't stop you gotta go to Happy More.
Happy More.
These are.
We
so
got
good.
these. They are teriyaki pork wrapped rice ball, soft boiled egg inside. You guys, it's so good.
That's good.
Mmm. You want mine?
No, because then you're gonna be hungry.
It's okay. You can have it.
I'll just take a bite.
You can have it if you want it. We also got some smoothies.
Yeah, dragon fruit.
They're really good.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views.
Hey guys, we're back from grocery shopping. It's been a long day. It's barely 2:53. It's about to be 3 in the afternoon, and I have not started dinner. It's probably pretty early for me to start dinner, but what I'm gonna make takes a while. So I'm gonna make frijoles borrachos for my husband, or frijoles charros. But it's kind of like, the only way that I can describe how it looks or how it is, it's kind of like gumbo, but it's Mexican. I don't know how else to compare it to, but I have a massive headache. I haven't really eaten anything all day besides that little piece of like rice ball that I showed you guys earlier in the car, and I gave it to my daughter because she wanted some. So I took a few bites off of that, and then we went to go buy the rest of our groceries. We're finally done with buying groceries, so I'm gonna start cooking dinner. I made myself an espresso, probably not the best choice since I have a headache and I haven't eaten anything, so I think I'm gonna make myself a little snack and then I'm gonna start dinner. I thought I'd show you guys the dinner that I'm gonna make for my husband. I'm really excited because he's had a really long week. To be honest, he's had a really long week. He's had a really long week at work, and he's been coming out really late, so I don't know, I just feel so bad. So I'm gonna make this delicious dish for him. He loves it. We love it in the house. All the kids love it, so I'm gonna do that, and yeah, he totally deserves it. I'm like very, very grateful, and I'm very happy that we are able to put food in our fridge to be able to cook for my family and feed them. So I'm so grateful to God for that, and my husband, because he's the one that provides for our family. So I'm gonna make that for him, and then I'm gonna make some carne asada tacos too, because carne asada tacos go perfectly with frijoles borrachos, and it's really easy, a very easy dish to make. We normally eat that, like Hispanic people normally eat that during carne asadas, like cookouts. They make frijoles borrachos, rice, brisket, pico de gallo. I'm gonna make all that right now. So I'm gonna make that for him because it's already 2:57. It's about to be 3. I think that's it. And and then after that, once everyone's settled, I'm gonna go to Make Man to go look for some spring greenery that I want to buy. I want to do a 2025 home refresh video, or home refresh with greenery, new greenery and all that stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to Make Man and go look for those greenery stems that I saw 2 weeks ago. I hope they're still there because they were so pretty. And then I might go to this Daiso where I like to go buy my greenery as well if I don't find enough at Make Man. But I have to get started on dinner first, get everything and everyone settled, and then I will do my thing at the end of the day. So let me go ahead and get started on dinner, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. I got this cute dress at the thrift store. It's a shorter dress. I'm not really used to dresses that are short because I'm already short. I'm 4'11", and I feel like wearing short dresses make me look shorter. It just depends on the dress. Maybe if it's like a bodycon, but I'm not really comfortable wearing a bodycon short dress. But it's pretty comfortable, and it's from Primark. Watch Gemma Louise Smile. If you don't know who she is, you need to go watch her channel because her channel is so cozy, and I literally binge watch her channels from years and years and years ago, and I'm waiting for her to upload a video. But I love her channel, and she is from the UK, and she always shops at Primark. So I found this at the thrift store, and I'm like, oh, Gemma. Anyway, let me get my stuff ready because I really need to cook.
Making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. We watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new, somewhere new.
In our entrance.
Just us two, I'll follow you, somewhere new.